Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway SC Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion Box Break number 16. Here's the last name up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is any 206-661-298. That's any 206-661-298. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start with the base card, Patrick Zias for the Devils, 295 out of 299. Jersey card, 33 out of 99 of Michael Granlund for the Wild. We got a Frozen Moments hit, 17 out of 50. Martin Brodeur. Nice hit for the Devils. Frozen Moments, Martin Brodeur. You got a patch out of rookie, 150 out of 299. Jordan Shorter for the Canucks. And then we finish off with a base card of Martin Brodeur for the Devils, 122 out of 299. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.